511 Saber 2.0 jacket is our most popular concealed carry jacket and has been engineered with direct feedback from 511 users to provide a covert and stylish appearance that hides a wealth of tactical features. A high-performance microfiber shell and a waterproof, breathable seam-sealed membrane keep you insulated from wind and weather without heating you up. Our patented quick zip system provides immediate access to a holstered sidearm, and zipping hand warmer pockets are backup belt system compatible, allowing you to customize your accessories for the mission at hand. Utility pockets at each shoulder and roomy internal pockets offer ample storage space. A secure lumbar pocket offers additional covert storage, and an integrated hood can be rolled up into the collar or removed entirely in warmer weather. Integrated storm cuffs keep out rain and cold, and 3 zip-out ID panels allow you to go from covert to overt in seconds. This is the 511 Saber 2.0 jacket. The 511 Taclite M65 jacket is our version of the original 1965 M65 field jacket, which was proven on battlefields around the world. This jacket has a contemporary fitted cut and crafted from our legendary 6.14-ounce 6535 poly cotton Taclite ripstop fabric. Tougher and more comfortable than ever, the 511 Taclite M65 jacket features rapid draw through and through pockets for quick and complete interior access. We've added dual hidden document pockets at the chest for secure storage. There's a Teflon fabric treatment for enhanced stain, soil, and fade resistance. The M65 has a slim inner lining and no insulation, making it easy to layer for comfortable wear in a broad range of climates. We've added functional epaulets and a name tape holder. We've also added 511 tonal branding. Our exclusive 511 redesign of the traditional M65 field jacket is a favorite worldwide. This is the 511 Taclite M65 jacket. The 511 Chameleon softshell jacket was built as an alternative to the 511 Saber 2.0 jacket and combines superior utility and comfort in a stylish covert design. Built from high-performance polyester-bonded softshell for excellent protection against wind and precipitation, the Chameleon softshell jacket incorporates a lightweight mesh lining interior that offers enhanced breathability while remaining warm and comfortable in cold weather. The Chameleon has dual hand warmer pockets with zippered closures, a utility pocket on the left sleeve, and 3 hidden internal pockets for ample space for accessories. 3 zip-out, pull-up ID panels at the chest and back allow you to go from covert to overt in seconds. We even added elasticized hook and loop storm cuffs and a drop-tail hem design to keep you warm and dry in any climate. This is the 511 Chameleon softshell jacket. The 511 Insulator jacket was engineered to provide versatile thermal protection in a broad range of climates. This jacket is constructed from a 62-38 nylon polyester fabric for an ideal blend of comfort, warmth, and weather resistance. Featuring a DWR or durable water-resistant treated exterior that protects from light rain, this jacket features poly spandex stretch side panels that maximize breathability and ensure a snug fit. The Insulator jacket also features our unique rapid drop pockets for quick and unhindered access to your firearm. The 100-gram Primaloft silver lining provides an outstanding warmth-to-weight ratio, and low-profile chest pockets provide plenty of space for your accessories. The 511 Insulator jacket offers versatile thermal protection with a 2-way YKK front zipper. We've also added 511 tonal branding. This is the 511 Insulator. The 511 Sierra Soft Shell offers lightweight weather protection that excels in a wide range of adverse climates and is constructed from 100% polyester stretch fabric bonded to polyester micro fleece. The Sierra Softshell jacket features a DWR, durable water-resistant finish that repels wind and moisture while remaining breathable and flexible. This softshell was designed to incorporate the 511 rapid draw system for easy access to an interior pocket or a concealed firearm. Low-profile chest pockets stow your phone or accessories, while lined hand warmer pockets keep your fingers responsive. The adjustable hem ensures a snug fit, and premium YKK zipper hardware ensure quick and precise action in any environment. Engineered to offer lightweight, all-weather comfort, this softshell has a 100% polyester stretch fabric outer with a bonded polyester micro fleece inner. There's a loop patch on the right sleeve and tonal 511 branding on the left shoulder. The YKK 2-way front zip has a chin guard. We've also added elasticized cuffs. This is the 511 Sierra Softshell.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, Smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.